Hi, welcome back. All right, we are still continuing with the animal behavior, how it acts and how it helps them survive. All right, so far we have talked about the condors, and then we talked about, what did we talk about? The giant spiders. Yeah, what did your teacher talk about yesterday? What was the main idea of the book you read yesterday? I'm listening, tell me. Did you like it? Did you forget what you read? Oh, you silly kids. All right. So I want to have you make some funny animal faces. All right. Can you look like a lion? Whoa. Right? Absolutely. All right. Can you look like a penguin? I love your waddle. Can you look like a shark? Nice. What about a spider? Yeah. What about a dragon? Do you think dragons are real? Oh, I don't know. Did you know that today's book that we are going to be reading about is all about an animal that is a dragon? What? Dragons are real? I'm so excited. So I wonder how the dragon behaves and how that behavior helps it survive. All right, let's see. The Komodo dragon. That is a big lizard. Absolutely. Komodo dragons, giant reptiles. All right, there are some neat old books written by Curtis Thomas. I wonder if he took the photographs in this nonfiction book. All right, let's see what details we can learn about the Komodo dragon. Wow, that picture is so neat. I can see so many physical characteristics. And you see that forked tongue when it's split like that? That means it's forked. And look at, oh my goodness, there's that skin looks like it'd feel really rough. Scales, a big head. Looks like an alligator's head. Wow, that looks like a very strong animal. All right. Wow, this is a big physical characteristic. Wow. All right, table of contents. We know that must mean it's, yes, a nonfiction book. Nice work. Right, so we have very big lizards, ready for a fight. These are all the headings we're gonna see. Hot home, mealtime, on the hunt, baby dragons, jumbo lizards, and then of course the glossary at the end. All right, so let's read our first heading. It's gonna be very big lizards. Very big lizards, another diagram. I love it how these books have this text feature to help us. All right, so this is a person, right? It's about 6 feet tall, 176 pounds, right? Generally, maybe like a man. The Komodo dragon. If the human is 10 feet long, the Komodo dragon is, I'm sorry. Let's start over again. Erase it. Ready? Can you erase it? Thank you. All right, so the human is 6 feet, right? We're long, 6 feet. The Komodo dragon is 10 feet. Wow, how many more feet long is the Komodo dragon? So we have 6 and 10. We can count up or we can count back. Let's count back from 10 to 6. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. It's 4. It's 4 feet bigger than a person. And it weighs about the same, 176 pounds. Wow, that's a neat key detail about Komodo dragons. Right, and we have our heading. Let's do green today. Very big lizards. Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards in the world. Lizards are reptiles. Snakes, turtles, and alligators are also reptiles. The biggest lizard in the world. That's an important detail. All right. Komodo dragons can be as long as 2 big bathtubs. All right, think about your bathtub. Put 2 of them together. That's how long a Komodo dragon could be. They are good hunters with sharp teeth and claws. Right, so those are physical characteristics, right? The sharp teeth and claws. Yeah, right, so those are physical characteristics, the sharp teeth and claws, right? But we're looking for behavior. All right, whoa, definitely looks like a fight, right? That's the title, Ready for a Fight. Komodo dragons have long, strong bodies. They use their teeth and claws to get food. They also use their teeth and claws to fight other dragons. All right, so this is a good book for physical characteristics, right? Yeah, almost all nonfiction books are good for physical characteristics because it always explains the animals and then how that behavior or how that body part helps it survive. Right? The teeth and the claws helps it fight, right? Then it also helps it get food. Good job. So we are still looking for behaviors. Yeah, fighting is a behavior. I wonder why they fight though. Let's keep reading. I bet you we're going to find out. Komodo dragons have hard plates on their bodies. Look at that. It does look hard, doesn't it? Does not look soft and fluffy. It has hard plates. The plates protect them. So if they're fighting and those long claws go into their skin, do you think it's going to hurt that bad on here? No, why not? Yeah, because they're hard plates. This kind of skin helps protect them. Great physical characteristic. Right, what makes a Komodo dragon a reptile? What a cool looking reptile. Komodo dragon has rough black or yellow-gray skin with bony plates, right? It's that really tough skin. Oh, look at this label, right to the tail. It has a long tail with strong muscles. Oh, looks like it's a mouth. Komodo dragon has about 60 sharp teeth for tearing flesh. Oh, thank you. Look at right to the tongue. Look at this label's pointing to the tongue. A Komodo dragon has a forked tongue, has long curved claws. All right. All right, where they live, another map. So this blue is where they live now, right? So all these little blue ones, it's where they live now. The red ones are where they used to live. So they used to live all over here. And now there's not that many. And they only live in these little blue spots. At home, that's the heading. Wild Komodo dragons only live in Asia. They live in forests. So they like Asia, right up here. Actually, Indonesia. They live in Indonesia, but it's part of Asia. The forest can have very hot weather. Komodo dragons stay cool in burrows. Dragons dig their own burrow or use another animal's burrow. You guys thinking what I'm thinking? Probably not. Right, so what is the dragon doing? What's the Komodo dragon doing? Yeah, digging their burrow. Why? Right, they dig their burrow. Why does a Komodo dragon dig its burrow? How does it help them survive? Yeah, it helps them stay cool, right? Because this is another animal that lives in very, very hot weather. Mealtime. Right, remember, we're thinking of behaviors that help this animal survive. Komodo dragons only eat meat. Their favorite food are deer, wild pigs, and water buffalo. They also eat young dragons, Oh no, they eat young baby Komodo dragons? Shame on them. On the hunt. Ooh, this is going to be some behavior, all right? Get your ears ready. The super listening ears. Get your Dumbo ears. All right. Komodo dragons wait for an animal to pass by. Then they attack with their teeth and claws. The hurt animal runs away and dies. Then the dragons use their tongues to find the dead animal. That's interesting. How do the tongues help them find the dead animal? Let's see if you know this. Yeah, reptiles, they can smell and sense things with their tongue. So the dragon's tongue, it's kind of like its nose, kind of, right? So it sticks it out like a snake, and it like feels and smells to see if it can find the dead animal, right? So what is the behavior? What is the action of the Komodo dragon? Yeah, they wait, right? They wait for an animal to pass by. How does that help them survive? Yeah, so they can get their food, right? They're hunting. Nice job. All right. Aw. Wow, they look really different as babies coming out of the egg. Female Komodo dragons lay many eggs in a nest in the ground. They protect the eggs from other animals. The eggs hatch in 6 to 9 months. Right. Baby dragons are a little longer than a ruler when they hatch. Not that big. Maybe the width of your computer screen. Too little. Okay. All right. So, ready? There's an action in here. What is the mom Komodo dragon doing? Let me read it again. Female Komodo dragons lay many eggs in a nest in the ground. They protect the eggs from other animals. So, what do they do? Go ahead, say it. Yeah, they lay the eggs in the ground, right? They dig down with those claws and they lay the eggs in the ground. Why? Why do they lay their eggs in the ground? You got this. Yes. Oh, you are so good. Kiss your brain. I love it. It protects the eggs from the animals, right? Because eggs are so yummy to eat. Do you like eating eggs? Yeah, so do the other animals. Even if they're Komodo dragon eggs, they don't care. They think they're yummy. All right, so the mom lays them in the ground, underground, to help protect them, keeps them safe. Baby Komodo dragons climb trees. There's another action. Why do they climb trees? To stay safe from adult dragons. They stay there for 2 years or longer. Male dragons can live to the age of 60. Female dragons live about half as long. All right. Okay, listen. They stay up in the tree for 2 years. 2 years. Could you imagine if you lived in a tree for all of kindergarten and all of first grade because you didn't want to get eaten by a grown up? Sounds crazy, right? But that's what baby Komodo dragons have to do. Young dragons in trees eat insects and geckos. So they eat bugs and other little lizards, little geckos. All right. So the action is climbing trees, right? Not the physical characteristics, behave. So what is the behavior of the young Komodo dragons? Climbing trees. How does that help it survive? Yeah, so they don't get eaten by a grown-up, right? They're adult dragons. Yeah. So male dragons, the boy dragons, can live until they're 60, probably older than your grandparents, right? Grandma and grandpa. Females live till about 30, right? All right, jumbo lizards. Komodo dragons are special. They are very strong reptiles. They are the biggest lizards in the world. All right, and there's our glossary. We're going to go over glossary another week, but it gives you definitions to words in case you don't know the words. All right, back to the beginning. Flying Komodo dragon lizards. Whee! Looks like they're dancing, right? It goes so fast. All right, so what was this whole book about? Got Komodo dragons, right? So we're going to use our main idea today. Right, make it bigger. You're going to have, no, you're not going to have to do this. You have a boom card to do. So we're going to do this together. I forgot what I was doing. Yep. All right. So this book was all about, what did you say? Thank you. Nice work. Komodo dragons. All right. Then down here, we have our details, key details, which are really just all the facts that you learned. What is one fact you learned about Komodo dragons? Remember any? Raise your hand when you've got one. Wow, there's a lot of hands up. What is it? Go ahead. Biggest lizard in the world. Yes. The Komodo dragon is the big lizard. Oh my goodness. That is big in the whole world. It's the biggest lizard. That is pretty amazing. All right, can you think of another one? Let's keep turning some pages to see if it refreshes your brain. What other detail do we know? Yeah, go. They fight each other. It says male dragons fight each other for females. Nice job. You're right. Male Komodo dragons fight each other for females. Right. Can we think of one more? One more. Let's keep going. Let's see. Right. Yeah, you could do one about their physical characteristics, right? Yeah, we could do one about where they live. We could do one about what they eat. Yes, they do eat that. Nice job. Let's do one about their babies. Raise your hand if you know one fact or you learned one detail about Komodo dragon babies. All right, go ahead. I see your hand. Yep, absolutely. That's a good one. All right, I'm going to put that they live in the trees for 2 years, right? The baby or the young dragons live in a tree for 2 years. Why do they do that? Do you remember? Absolutely. They do it to stay away from the grown-ups. Yeah, because the grown-up Komodo dragons, what do they do to the babies? I know, they eat them. Oh, poor babies. All right. All right. Well, that is all we have for today. When you are done watching this, right below is a boom card. There's a boom card I want you to do. And then That's all you need to do. Well, you do have to make a comment on your discussion where it says there'll be the video, then the boom card, then underneath is the comment. Tell me something about the Komodo dragon, right? Give me a detail that you learned about the Komodo dragon. All right, I cannot wait to see you, to see your work, and I hope you have a fantastic Thursday afternoon. Have a great one.